how to find storefront settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find storefront settings. First open your browser and then once you're here go to settings, and after that just scroll down, scroll until you find security and privacy, or you can just type it here. Click on it and now scroll down, and here you will find storefront, and that's it. Manage here anything you want, and then just go back. It will be saved. Just click save and it will be saved. And that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.